call you by your
Uh,
name, or what should I call you? I mean, should I call you? You would like to prefer me to call you sir or
no,
Anil?
no, no. Anil is okay.
Okay, so okay, I will call you by your name. And you can also call me by my name, Rekha, because I love to call and I prefer to call myself Rekha. No sophisticated word, madam.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so let's just start the conversation by introducing ourselves.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, would you like to take the pleasure first?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Uh, as you know, my name is Anil Kumar Ram, and I am from Himachal Pradesh, but originally from Kolkata. But just a few months, 5 months ago, I moved to Himachal Pradesh, and because my wife is working here, so that's why I'm also shifted here. I'm a married person. I have a 4-year boy child, and I completed my graduation in from like long distance,
Uh-huh.
uh, and also I am a karate coach,
Oh my
and
goodness.
I have
Do I need to scare you then? Do I need to scare
no,
from
no,
you?
no, no need.
Do I need to feel very safe?
So, uh, and I have a 20-year experience of teaching karate,
Mm.
and since I have been practicing spoken English since March 4th of 2024,
Wow.
and yeah, just that's all. Thank you.
Great, great to know that. Great to know. I need to learn that art of karate. And by the end of this call, please, teach me some moves that how can I protect myself from, the stranger personality, that weird personality. In this world, the world is full of weird personality. Okay, let's just keep that apart. My first question is you said that you were very excited.
Yeah.
So, what was that excitement?
Actually,
Like,
I watched your video,
okay.
and there you are like talking with a person very like very smiley face, and so that's why I'm also like when I sent a mail any person, so
Uh-huh.
I feel hesitate that that person is accepting my mail, or he or she is giving me reply or not, because I'm a beginner, so
Uh-huh.
that's why. And after you're watching your video and your English conversation, so I feel I'm a like a beginner, so ma'am is accepting my mail or not. So that's why I'm excited.
No, no, everyone is welcome. Everyone is welcome. And I respect each and everyone. No one is beginner for me here. No one is intermediate for me. No one is fluent for me. What I believe is that this is the fraternity, this is the group, and this is a beautiful platform where we can share the thoughts, we can share our feelings, and improve as well in terms of communication skills. So we need to rejoice it genuinely. We need to celebrate that technology era that we blessed with it, right?
Ma'am, I telling you my like style of practicing. So after
Mhm.
that, please guide me. I'm a right way or wrong way. So I regularly read a book 10 pages. Some page I couldn't understand their meaning also, but I'm trying to read that patiently and try to understand some
Mhm.
those words I'm not understanding. Try to find that word in Google,
Mhm.
and I try to connect with a new person. So I get a knowledge from there, lots of knowledge. Even apart from karate, like spoken English, a different
Uh-huh.
knowledge.
Uh-huh.
and also I try to watch English podcasts, conversation videos, and English movies. So this
Mhm.
kinds of exercise I'm did regularly with.
Mhm.
And also I joined a clapping go, so I
Yeah.
took the classes from there also.
Uh-huh.
So that's it. So if I am
Okay.
doing anything mistake, so please
No,
guide
no,
me.
no. See, the thing is that first of all, you already I've seen couple of your videos where you took the classes from, I think, English Yari, right?
Yeah, yeah, English that is true. Yeah.
Yes, English Yari. You already took it, right? And you know your gray areas, what I feel here. and you already connected with the expert people, that tutor, right? And they have already given you the feedback about your English level,
Yes, yes,
right? So I don't think so I need to give you anything, right? And whatever they have suggested you, the best of knowledge they have given you. And if you said that you are reading something, the all I need to want to convey that whatever the skill, we have four skill: reading, writing, speaking, and listening skill.
yes,
Whatever the skill you have chosen for yourself, that should be your of your interest,
yes,
right? First of all, analyze yourself what skill you want to develop and which skill you wanted to explore and evolve. That's the
yes.
most important thing.
But now I like to read the books when like I completed two books. So after
Uh-huh.
completing that, I feel that yeah, I'm learning something. So that's why I'm learning read that book, because from there I get some not too much, some
Mhm.
knowledge, some word, also new words,
Mhm.
sometime also some phrases. So I don't know I what I learned from there, but I love to read now these days. But
Huh? You
before that,
develop,
I couldn't.
you
I
develop
don't
that
like it.
you develop
Yeah.
that habit actually. The
Yes.
first thing is that no English, maybe it's very important. You need to develop that habit. If I
Yes.
talk
Yes.
about now, if I wanted to read something, like I told you, I feel very monotonous, right? So first, what I need to read, I need to create that enriched habit. First, I need to be habitual of the reading. I
Yes. Yes.
know when I will read now, I feel very bored, but
Yes.
we have to stick with it. We
Yes.
have to,
Yes.
if you want to develop that habit, then you have to be stick with your points, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You already developed that reading habit, so go with it, rejoice with it, and take the full advantage of reading,
Yes. Yes. Yeah,
right?
sometimes when I read a book, sometimes I feel sleepy, and like before 4 or 5 months ago. But now I feel no, I have to complete this page. Okay,
Mhm,
that page is very interesting. I have to read another one page. So like
mhm,
this, I complete sometime 10, 15 pages. But my son is also always disturbing me. So
mhm.
when I try to read or talk with like any person, he also like this. He just saw that that person is a ma'am or sir.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely, absolutely. Okay, so let me just ask you some consolidated set of questions. May I?
Yes, ma'am.
Right now you said that you are from Himachal,
Yes,
and originally I am from Uttarakhand. And if I ask you that question, the Himachal is always is not always is actually revolves around the natural beauty.
yes, yes.
Himachal, right? So what is that the first or that fascinating beauty of Himachal which you can correlate with your personality, and
Mm,
why?
actually, I like when I was a child. From there till now, I like natures like greenery. So that's
Mhm,
why from 2008 till now, every year in the month of May, I visit.
mhm.
So from like 2008 till now, every month in the month of May, I visit Uttarakhand in Dehradun.
Oh,
Yeah,
uh-huh.
like one of my teacher is organized a national championship, so I try to visit that
Okay.
championship and visit all the areas. Even 2 year ago, I visit Kedarnath, Badrinath, Yamnotra.
Mhm,
Also. So I
mhm.
like this. Main things is hilly mountain area and greenery.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mm. Really, really, the way you are describing it now, I was just, roaming. I was just roaming in the hills. I was the imaginary, the images actually appear in front of my eyes because I have, a soul connection, I would say, with the beauty of. Mountain, because I always wanted to be my personality like mountain, to be stand like mountain. Whatever the introspect in my life and the hindrance in my life, I just wanted to cross it with the silver line of hope.
Yes. Yeah, like, but when I came here, when I start my bike, so I scared about of riding because there is suddenly the turn is come, suddenly the downfall,
Oh,
suddenly
yes.
so I scared and like 15 days, my wife is asking, can I sit in your back? And my son also, but I said, no, 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 no. I just first time like overcome from the fear, then you can sit. Now is I am overcome from there and I can write.
Yes, now we can correlate with the English journey. This is like you said that first you wanted to develop your confidence, right?
Yes,
To ride that vehicle, right? You develop
yes,
that confidence, right? Now you are perfect. You can take the lift, your kid, your wife, right? Similarly with this language, practicing with a lot of co-learner, practicing with the ample of people, you will gain the confidence.
yes, yes, yes,
And once you have that confidence, and once you gain that confidence, you will feel like that you are flying. It feels like that over you will enjoy that joyful of moment of your life, and the hesitation and the fear eradicate from your mind like a click of with the click of the finger.
yes, yes. Yeah, even
Great.
uh, after joining Juice Talk, Clapping Go, and all these things, like 1 month ago, I completed one like interview in English. That is a
Oh. Uh-huh.
like when I went any school in before that. So
Mhm.
when the principal asked me anything in English, so
Mhm.
that time I just start with Hindi, and
Uh-huh.
they are asking me in English. I am giving all the answer in Hindi. So lots of time I get fail. I got a failure because they asked me that if you are not comfortable in English, so we can't uh,
Hire
uh,
you.
hire you.
Mhm.
So now I am a little bit, not too much, little bit comfort, like, yeah,
You
confident that
create that. You create that comfortness, na, for yourself,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Great, great. If you are feeling that you are improving
yeah,
and you are achieving something goal that you set in your life for yourself, it's incredible thing, I would say,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, even but these time I have one hesitation to talk with my students. They are saying me that sir, please speak with us in English. But
Uh,
at that moment, I forget all this all the words, and I couldn't speak with them. But they are from English medium school. I feel that they are laughing on me, but they are saying no, sir, you speak in English. But God knows when I will start with
no,
speaking.
no. See, if if you have that environment and the environment is surrounded by the kids, then I would say you have the best company,
Yeah,
because nobody is going to judge you. Kids is like that, they are pure by heart. They
yeah,
don't know actually the laughing at you. They don't know the philosophy and the psychology behind it. They never try this funda, because you blessed with a good company. I would
yeah,
say you have to rejoice it, you have to celebrate it, try to speak with them. Doesn't
yeah,
matter the mistake, let it be. They will not laugh at you.
yeah.
More than you will learn. More than that, you will learn.
In 2008, I'm trying to speak in English in one school. So in every students, like 4 5 students are very naughty. So they are saying, "Sir, you are doing wrong." So I'm asking them, in this place, what which word I use, I have to use. So he
Mhm.
said, this word you have to use, and you use this word. So I said,
Mhm.
no, I say that word, but you listen different things.
Okay, you are trying to manipulate them.
But they are also understanding this is just making fun, nothing else.
So I learned one thing from my life, from my journey of English, that if someone mock you, someone tease you, and someone laugh at you, na, accept it with your open arms. Welcome it, because the more you will accept your mistake, the more you will be next level. And ask them, if somebody laugh at you and somebody say that you commit the mistake here, then ask them what is the right thing here. If you have guts, if you have audacity, then correct me, because I want to learn this language. The next, you won't believe it, the person who's deliberately looking for your mistake, he will not look at your mistake, because you
Yes,
already tell him that if you have audacity na, then rectify me.
recommend.
Show
Yes,
your courage to rectify me, because I'm here to learn.
yes. Yeah, in when I joined first time in Joestock, so one person connect with me and he is just starting laughing on me because I'm trying to speak English in broken English. Like some word is missing, some lots of things. But he is starting in Hindi, and he is laughing on me. You are
Mm,
try to learn English. So I said in polite way that yeah, I'm here to
mm.
speak English, learn English. So that's why I'm joining this app. So yeah, I'm trying. But after 1 minute, I decide I have to cut this call because he tried to demotivate me. So that's why I cut the call, connect with another person.
Okay, so thank you so much, Anil ji. It was lovely conversation with you, and thank you so much connecting with me. Hopefully, we will connect again in future, and we will try to mark purple patch on the journey of all. Try
Yes,
to
yes,
motivate all.
yes, yes, definitely, definitely. Okay,
Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.
bye, ma'am.